How can your phone unlock just by looking at your face? Or how does Netflix always seem to know what you want to watch next? The answer lies in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Three ideas that might sound complicated but are super exciting once you get them. What is AI? Let's start with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like teaching computers to be smart so they can perform tasks we usually think only humans can do, like understanding language, recognizing faces, or even playing chess. It's the big idea behind all the cool things you see in technology today. So, what is machine learning? Now, machine learning or ML is a specific part of AI. Instead of programming a computer step by step, ML is like teaching the computer to learn on its own by using data. Imagine showing hundreds of cat pictures to your computer until it learns what a cat looks like. So, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning. It uses structures called neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. Deep learning is used for solving really complex problems, like understanding speech or identifying faces in a crowd. So, what is the difference? AI is the big idea, teaching machines to do smart things like a whole toolbox. Machine learning, ML, is one tool inside that toolbox. It's like teaching a machine by showing it examples. Deep learning, DL, is a super special tool in ML using neural networks, great for very complex tasks like recognizing faces or translating languages. AI, ML, and DL are everywhere, making things faster, smarter, and easier for all of us. Now that we've cracked the basics, it's time to dive deeper into how these systems actually work. So, hit the like button and subscribe, and let's continue this exciting journey into AI.